This steam canister is the beating heart of your humidifier, responsible for generating the steam that your humidifier then distributes throughout your home. Current runs between two electrodes within the canister, heating your water to a boil and creating steam that is distributed through your HVAC system. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Buy with confidence. This genuine replacement water panel was designed and manufactured in the USA by Aprilaire, the leader in indoor air quality solutions, to optimize the performance of your Aprilaire Steam Humidifier Model 800 or 865. Number 2. Humidity for health. Aprilaire humidifiers can help you maintain optimal humidity in your home of 35% to 45%, which has been shown to reduce the incidence of respiratory infections and symptoms related to allergies and asthma. Number 3. For optimal performance, replace canister annually, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.